Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discuss about civics first lesson, forms of government and democracy. Today, many countries of the world follow different types of government, but the modern world prefers democracy. Forms of government. The governments of nation differ significantly based on who has power. There are different forms of government are there: aristocracy, monarchy, autocracy, oligarchy, theocracy, democracy, and a republic.
Aristocracy, a form of government in which power in the hands of small privileged ruling classes is called aristocracies. Example countries: United Kingdom and Spain. Next one, monarchy, a system of government in which one person reigns supreme, usually a king or queen. Example countries: Bhutan, Oman and Qatar. Next one, autocracy, a system of government by one person with absolute power. Example countries: North Korea and Saudi Arabia. Next one, oligarchy, a small group of people having a control of a country or organization is called oligarchy. Example countries: Soviet Union, China, Peninsula, North Korea. Next one, theocracy, a system of government in which religious doctrine form the basis of government, headed by the priest who rules in the name of God or proclaims himself as a god. Example country: Vatican City. Next one, democracy, a system of government in which eligible members in the population vote to elect their elected representatives on the party or individual. The majority votes form the governments. Example countries: India, USA, France. Last one, republic, a state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives and which has an elected or nominated president rather than monarch. Example countries: India and Australia. In this lesson, we are discuss about democracy. Democracy is a form of government that allows people to choose their rulers. Only leaders elected by people should rule the country. People have the freedom to express views, freedom to organize and freedom to protest also. Dear students, Abraham Lincoln, one of the president of the USA, defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Forms of democratic government divided into two parts. One is parliamentary form of government followed by India and England. Second one, presidential form of government followed by USA and France. Parliamentary form of government framed in elected, legislature and executive. Presidential form of government framed by elected by executive and legislature. Next we are discuss about democracy in India. India has a parliamentary form of government. The Indian Parliament comprises the elected representative of the people and makes the law for the country. The participation of the people in decision making and the consent of citizens are the two important elements of the parliamentary form of government in India. Elections in India. India has a quasi-federal government with elected representative at the federal, state and local levels. The general elections are conducted by the Election Commission of India. At the national level, the President of India appoints the Prime Minister, who enjoy the majority in the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Parliament of India. Major challenges of Indian democracies are illiteracy, poverty, gender discrimination, regionalism, corruption, political violence. Finally, Indian democracy can be successful and vibrant only when its citizens imbibe and reflect in their behavior the basic democratic values like equality, freedom, social justice and respect for all. My dear students, I hope you learned the lesson. If you have any doubt, you contact my personal number.